Lods, I want mom and dad to be happy forever and ever.
Oh, wait lang guys, bago mo scroll down. Napanood mo na ba yung pelikulang Rewind na pinagbibidahan nila Ding Dong Dantes at Marian Rivera, na kung saan ay trending ito sa social media, na after nilang panoorin ay talagang mag-iiba daw yung realization mo sa buhay, lalong lalo na kung ikaw ay pamilyadong tao. Kung hindi mo pa napanood ay tara, samahan mo ko ulit panoorin yung trailer ng Rewind by ABS-CBN Film Production Incorporated, na as of now ay meron ng 8.7 million views.
Alam mo, Dad, sinabi ko kay Lods to make your wish come true.
Oo, sabi niya.
It will come true daw.
Shit, I resign!
Ba talaga ako?